everyone, it's Shel C from PaperOcotilloStudio, and this is my October vlog. Tomorrow is the live stream and the start of a really fun event for all of October where we are going to be art journaling every day in October. So I wanted to make my vlog today on the last day of September so that I could talk about all the things coming in October and all that stuff, the thank yous and all the things I do at the beginning of the month. So, that being said, the first thing I want to talk about is an exciting event coming from Art Joy of Sharing Facebook group. You can join this group by clicking on the link below the video and asking to join and answering the questions. And then you will be able to participate in this activity of art journaling every day. And it's going to be really fun this year. Usually we do this in November, but we decided November is just too clogged with holiday stuff and family stuff and responsibilities, and it's hard to have an event during November, especially for Peg and I who make a video every single day. So we decided to have it in October. And this year it's going to be all the prompts are going to be snarky quotes, and all the pages will be fun, snarky things. You can use any of the quotes that you want on any of the days, and the graphics for you to print out will be available in the Art Joy of Sharing group tomorrow morning, or tonight at midnight. So get out your art journals, come play with us with this fun challenge for art journaling every day in October. We will be kicking it off on the live stream show tomorrow at 8:30 Pacific time, 10:30 Central time on the Art Joy of Sharing live stream channel. And that link to that channel will be below the video today so that you can figure out where to go to come watch us live in the morning tomorrow for our first page for hashtag AJ Snark Attack 2020. That's Art Journaling Snark Attack 2020, all in the month of October. So while I'm talking here, you guys might notice that I am just messing around. I just wanted to show you guys something that I do to self-soothe when I'm feeling frustrated or I want to create something but I don't know what. I will take pieces of under paper like this one, and it has some paint on it. It's got leftover paint. Sometimes it's roll-off paper. Sometimes it's gel prints that just still need something. And I'll use different products and just play around and add some different stenciling and doodling and mark making to these papers to use them later in for collage. So I'll usually tear them up or something. You'll probably see these come back during the month because we're going to be doing lots of art journaling. So I'll be sure to use these papers that I showed on the vlog today during the month so that you can see how I use them. But really, it is a behavior of self-soothing that it's very, zen to do this. So I recommend it. Okay, so for the rest of the challenges we always have in Art Joy of Sharing Facebook group. We have the Pick a Stick challenge every month. That is a randomly drawn one-word prompt challenge, and this month we will be incorporating that into a snarky page. So we'll do Pick a Stick and Snark Attack on a live stream on the same day. Also, our mood board, we'll do the same thing with our mood board challenge. We'll use it in conjunction to the Snark Attack page sometime because we've got to do a page every single day. So all those things, all those challenges will be coming up. There'll be a video on my channel every day unless I lose it and for some reason can't complete the challenge. Who knows what will happen in life? That sometimes happens. But those are all the challenges from our Art Joy of Sharing group. In addition to things that I do usually in the month, as I usually do a altered tag that will somehow be incorporated, and it'll probably be a snarky tag this month for Tag It Tuesday using the prompts from that group. And my animal portraits, they will be going on during the month during the Snark Attack event as well. I do have a Stencil Girl project for home decor coming up on the 6th. Peg also has, we do our Stencil Girl design team projects together. So she will have something made with the same stencils that I used on the 6th. Let's do thank yous next. I really have a lot of people to thank this month. I mentioned my donation, my PayPal donation button on a video that wasn't a vlog. You know, my vlogs don't get as many views as my regular videos. And several people who've never donated before donated to my channel this month. So let's get to thanking them. Thank you for your donations, Antoinette, Janine, Kaylin, Amy, Carrie, Debbie, Linda, Marty, Mary, Arlene, and Gail. And thank you for purchasing original art, Judy. So I'm so blessed when people donate to my channel. I do this art journaling every day this month, or most of the time I make a video every other day for free. And so it's always so generous of people to help me out by donating using that PayPal button. Let me show you a couple things about where things are on YouTube. First of all, up in the right-hand corner of your screen on YouTube, there are some little quick links. That goes to my PayPal donation button, my Facebook, my Instagram, all different things like that. You can click on those really quickly and they go straight there. Super easy. Also, here's a couple more screenshots of what YouTube looks like. Below the video, I'm always talking about the Show More button. You can see it right there. If you click on Show More, it opens this. It gives you a lot more information, a lot of links and things. Here's all my links, like my donation uh, button, my art, my Amazon storefront, all those type of things, and also links to products that I might use. So that's how you can get to things on YouTube. Okay, and here's one more little screenshot lesson. When you hover over the video, it opens this thing across the bottom, and it has some other things that will help you. One of them being the close caption button. For those of you who get frustrated when YouTube breaks my video and makes my voice too quiet, you can always click on that button and it will give you writing that's narrating what I'm saying. I can't control when that happens to me on YouTube and I can't fix it. So that would be something that's helpful. There's also a full screen and a show on TV button, as well as a subscribe button there that's on all my videos that you can click on and subscribe to my channel, which is really helpful if people subscribe to my channel. I love that. So there's some little YouTube directions. Nothing very complex, but yeah, how to find me, how to find my donation button, how to subscribe. I think I covered it all. So back to doing some more papers here. Now I'm using some different pens. I had these other pens that I think they're chalk pens that Peg had sent me in one of her boxes, and I was just trying them out on this. This is a gel print that somebody sent me, and I can tell it's, it's made with live leaves, but there are no veins or anything in the leaves, so it's kind of fun to doodle over that type of a gel print with different pens, just, messing around. And then I decided the other ones that I had stenciled, even though you've already stenciled, you can still doodle. In fact, stenciling and doodling go really well together. So I did some more doodling on this one, which was just a piece of underpaper. It's a very low quality paper, newsprint that I used to use as an underpaper. Now I'm using black craft paper. Say that 3 times fast, and I use it as well when I'm. This one is getting very dirty, so I'll peel it up before tomorrow's live stream show, and then I will use it later for gel printing or for doing this type of stuff. I don't ever waste paper. I'm a collage artist. I need pretty papers, and so if they're not pretty, I will make them pretty. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this little vlog. Trying to think if there's anything else. Please come and join us over at Art Joy of Sharing Art Community on Facebook, and join us with our month-long hashtag art journaling challenge of doing art journaling every day with snarky quotes, and that is hashtag AJ Snark Attack 2020. You can come and print those over in the group. Yeah, I think I've said everything I need to say. Oh, wait, no, I forgot something. Below the video, you guys can see that Teespring store. It has some new items in it. People have been requesting that my couple of my Moody girls, they wanted to get prints of that. So I made some options to buy prints of those on canvas or else as a poster. And then also someone wanted the Cookie Cats on a mug, so I put a Cookie Cats mug in the store as well. Um, I don't know if people want them, but people have been requesting, so I went ahead and did it. So you can look at that down below the video as well. Um, it goes to my Teespring store, which is called Shel C Art on Stuff. So yeah. Anyway, now I'm done. That's it for me. Thanks. Bye bye.